What will you choose? Miniature peanut butter or giant chocolate candy? Or maybe you will drink giant Nesquik with a tiny Snickers bar. Watch how you can make a smaller or bigger version of your favorite candy in our new video. Where do little fairies usually shop? Of course, they shop in our super simple, extra small supermarket because it sells only miniature food products. What can be better than a picnic in the park? Especially if you have delicious snacks like my favorite peanut butter, for example. But my friend doesn't want to share. She knows that I can eat the entire jar, easy peasy. She has prepared a mini jar of peanut butter for me personally. Attach a small printed out peanut butter label to a tiny decorative jar. Use a syringe to fill the jar with real peanut butter. Cover the cap with acrylic paint. This peanut butter jar is so small. How can I eat it? I wonder. Even my pinky won't get in. But my friend finds a solution to this problem. A toothpick will help me. This mini portion is just enough for small toast. We've got Nesquik of any size to satisfy everyone. From a mini version to a giant one. Print a small-sized Nesquik package and cover it with clear tape. Fold up and assemble the pack. Fill it with regular Nesquik powder. Fasten the pack. Excellent! Let's try it now. I get a mini version. Daisy gets a regular package, and the baby gets the biggest Nesquik. Come on, let's make a drink. Mix cocoa, powdered sugar, and heavy cream powder or dried milk. Cover one side of a big piece of yellow paper with foil. Attach an enlarged Nesquik label to the back side. Fold the paper to get the foil in. Hot glue. Put in the cocoa mixture. Hot glue the edge. The drink is ready, but baby gets the smallest cup for some reason. It's suspicious, 'cause I had the biggest Nesquik. These adults are cheating again. Their drinks must be more delicious than mine. Come on, let's change. I will choose the tastiest Nesquik now. Of course, the one in the biggest cup is the best. And the adults can share the rest in any way they want. Blondie doesn't want to share her chewy candies. I keep an eye on her, but she just tosses the pack up in the air carelessly all the time. Come on, unwrap it quicker. But the candy paradise suddenly drops an unexpected gift right in her hands. And her regular starburst turns into a giant one. Melt chewy candies in a microwave. Add food coloring and stir the thick mixture. Pour it into a square mold. Apply beeswax to the inside of a big printed candy wrapper. Put in the hardened candy and fold up the wrapper. Make a few big candies. Put them together in a row and wrap them in a big piece of red paper. Hot glue the package. Fold up the sides and attach a big printed label. These candies are huge. I run to help my friend. Blondie won't be able to cope with this candy on her own. We open the package. You can chew on this starburst forever. It's endless like space and very delicious. Blondie can take part in a bubble contest. She is the best when it comes to chewing on bubble gum. So she always has bubble gum on hand, but she takes out a budget version for me. It's Hubba Bubba in a tiny package. Cut a small hollow rubber ball in half, but be sure not to cut it all the way through. Color it with pink acrylic paint. Cut a small Hubba Bubba label in half and attach to both sides of the container. Snip off a piece of real bubble tape and cut it in half. Roll it up. Put the bubblegum roll into the container. I look at my tiny bubblegum with astonishment.